Howdy YouTube. I'm going to make a video on putting together this little Harbor Freight sandblasting cabinet just to share my personal experiences with it here. It was on sale for $180 and I've been wanting a small sandblasting cabinet for a very long time and thought that's totally worth the price, even if it's not that high of a quality one. Well, let's speed through this and see what the setup goes like. A major design flaw with their screw package is you open it from the back side and all the identification numbers are on the front side. Well, once you've opened it, you can't just flip it over because all your screws will fall out. So you kind of got to hold it up over your head to figure out what numbers you're supposed to get to. Now this is interesting. Your instructions basically just say assemble the cabinet. And I finally realized it was much easier to assemble this thing by setting it upright like this. I kind of want to put the latch on the door so the dang thing ain't flopping around. I definitely have to hold my tongue right to get a lot of these screws in place. It's a little tricky. This job is tedious, is the word I'd use for it. Nothing complicated, but just tedious. Also, it doesn't hurt to have long arms. Spent an hour last night and 2 hours this morning assembling the thing. I really didn't think it'd take me 3 hours to put together, but man, that was a lot of lining little things up and getting them bolts put back together. Wow, that took a lot longer than I thought it would. I'd have to say I would not classify it as a pleasant experience. Also, I did not put the light in it. From what other people have said online, the light is just stupid, so don't even use it. This is 50 pounds of black diamond blasting media. I think this is the stuff I want. I read the different types of media in there. This is non-silicone based or silica based or whatever the exact word is. It's a very dark material and it is sharp. If you touch it with your fingers and rub your fingers together, you'll actually get cuts on your fingers. So I hope this stuff will work in here. I think that sharpness will wear off after a few trips around through the blaster. Also, I just set my LED floodlight up on there like that. Shut off the overhead lights. Now I can see in there really well. Seriously. The only problem I'm having is I cannot get the factory gun, or the gun that came with it, to work at all. I looked online, and people are saying, oh, you just modify the suction who's it in there, and you're good to go. But this gun is different than all the other models they were showing online. But I could not get it to pick up sand at all. So I put my other sandblasting gun in there that I bought years ago. That's basically like this, only different. And it's working like a champ in there. So I just went ahead and rigged it up. I would actually like to know how to get this Harbor Freight gun to work, but I absolutely cannot get it to work.